Hi, my name is Amo Procedures. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write code and you come up with something like this. It is a button group filter which you can use in your project to filter some content if you have been given. So without wasting time, let us start building the HTML code. So here, after writing the HTML code, I'm going to jump right to the CSS file and we start styling our button filter. So I'm going to import the fonts from Google and I'm going to choose the Roboto one. So I'm going to style my body, giving it the height and the width, and later we are going to use Flexbox. So I'm going to give it also the background there. So when we start styling our filter group, we're going to have our primary background and the primary color, which are going to be default, and you can change it at any time you want to fit the theme you are going to use in your project. After giving it the background, I'm going to give it a box shadow, and I'm going to style the individual button in the filter group. So I'm going to remove the outline and the border. I'm going to make my cursor a pointer, and the background we are going to inherit from the primary background we defined in the filter group. So we finalize it by giving it a transition. So I'm going to target the first child and I'm going to set its radius. So here I'm going to also modify the last child, and I'm also going to give it its own border radius. So when the user focuses on the button, I'm going to change the background. So in this scenario, it is a reverse of the background. I'm going to use the color which was white, and so the color will also be the reverse of the what? Of the background, which is going to be blue. Line width. So this is the final product. So if this video is helpful, please click that subscribe button and like for the next upcoming videos.